Well, it's a weather impact alert because we're kind of in that calm before the storm, it sounds like.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think Friday is a good day. If you have things to get done, tomorrow's the day to do it because Saturday is really going to be pretty nasty. And then Sunday's going to be a cold day as well. So I really want to walk through time of what you can expect hour by hour with the next really 3 days or so. That's when we're expecting inclement weather. 31 is our current temperature. Overnight, we'll see the temperatures drop because we do expect clearing skies. Most of the snow that you see on the satellite right now is just a little bit of lake-enhanced snow. This is not what we're expecting the snow from. It's actually going to arrive from the west or even the south and west. Let me take you through the next several days, and I'll really try to break this down for you because I think it's kind of complicated what's going to be happening. Not necessarily for tonight or for Friday, so lows near 24 tonight. The wind chills will be into the teens. Winds are diminishing, so this is an improvement from where we were, say, yesterday, but certainly a cold start to Friday. We do expect some sunshine. Let's call it variably cloudy skies for tomorrow. Highs in the 30s, and the winds will be calming, which means that by the time we get into circle of lights during the afternoon, while the temperatures at that point may start to dip into the 20s, the wind chill won't be as much of a concern. Again, if you have things that you need to get done, Friday is the day to do it because by the time we get into Saturday morning looks better than it did maybe when I looked at the forecast yesterday, but we're still expecting light snow and all of the temperatures are likely going to be below freezing. And what that means is that once this onsets, once we start to get snow falling, it's going to accumulate. There's not going to be a lot of melting that's going to happen initially, and this is expected to be all snow as it arrives. The complicated part comes Saturday afternoon. Once we get heavier snow arriving, and it may be heavy at times, the question is, will it change over as the temperatures climb? Because look at the forecast here. This particular model has temperatures near freezing in Lafayette. Meanwhile, it's 10 degrees warmer in Bloomington and points to the south into Bedford. So we're going to have a lot of variability as some of this warm air starts to nose its way to the north. Now, I do think this is when we could get some heavier bursts of snow, so travel is really going to be a big problem here Saturday afternoon and evening. Once that warmer air starts to take over, and the big question there is also if it starts to take over, how much of this will melt? How much will we compact down any 2 to 4 inches of snow, let's say, that fall across parts of Indianapolis? That will really cause some problems. And then once we get into Sunday, the temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly. So anything that melted, then we're going to see temperatures drop pretty fast. We may be in the 30s by Sunday afternoon, but look, by the time we get into late Sunday night, we're already talking about temperatures in the teens. Now, I do think this particular model is keeping the temperatures too cold for Sunday night, but we are talking about a pretty steep temperature drop, which means that anything that is left is going to freeze or refreeze pretty quickly. This is one particular model output. I know your eyes are drawn to that, but know that some of that's going to melt, and there's still some question here about the variability. So our official forecast looks like this. It's downplaying some of those numbers just a little bit. Keep in mind there's also a bit of uncertainty here because of this rain and some melting, which is going to compact some of this snow. Keep all of that in mind. Just know the thing that I'm almost certain about is that Saturday is going to be a very ugly day for travel. Our high temperatures may try to get into the 30s, but really it's not going to make much of a difference. It stays cold into Monday and even Tuesday when another round of snow could be possible.